In this lesson, we will learn about inserting a table and formatting it. In the previous lesson, we have learned that how to use a table to lay out a web page. Now, in this lesson, we will see how to insert and format a table to insert text and to insert images into it. To insert a table, go to the Common tab panel and click on Insert Table icon. Now, a table setting wizard is displayed. In this, we can specify the number of rows and the number of columns we want in our table. And next, we have table width here. Let us specify the width in pixels. The next one is the thickness of border. Here we can specify the value of thickness in pixels. Next is cell padding. Cell padding is the space allotted for the content in a cell. Here we can type the value. Next, the cell padding, that is the space allotted for the content in a cell. We can specify it in pixels. And the next is cell spacing. After setting these values, next we move to the header. If we want a header to our table on the left side, we can click on this button. Now we get a header on the left side of the table. If we want the header on the top, we can choose this particular option. If we want the header on both sides, that is on the left and even on the top, we can choose this button. If we don't want any of these headers, go to None. Now let us look at the caption. If we wanted to add any caption to our table, that can be typed here. For example, if we are using this table for a price list, you can type price list. And we can even choose where this caption should be appeared. Here we have Align Caption List menu. In this we have top, bottom, left and right. We can choose these options to align the caption. If we have any summary regarding the table, we can type it here in the summary text field. After specifying all the values, click on OK to insert the table. Here we have the table. Now let us see how to format the table. To select a particular column of a table, we can keep the mouse on the top of the table. Now a column is highlighted in red. By clicking it, we can select the column. In the same way, to select a row of a table, keep the mouse cursor on the right side of the table. Then a row is highlighted in red. By clicking, we can select the row. To select a specific cell in a table, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard and click on that particular cell. To select the complete table, click at the bottom of the table to select the complete table. If we wanted to increase or decrease the dimensions of a column or a row, we can do it manually by using mouse. We can also use the Properties bar to make the modifications. In the property bar, we have the rows and column number. By changing this, we can change the number of rows and columns. In this way, we can increase the number of rows and columns. Here, we can change even the width of the table. In the same way, the cell padding and cell spacing also can be changed. And alignment of the table, thickness of the border also can be changed. If we wanted to add formatting style to the text that we enter into the table, here we can choose the class. Here we have style 10, which is a predefined format style. we can choose it and apply it to the text of the table. If we wanted to insert any background image, click on this folder to browse the background image. This way we could insert a background image to the table. If we wanted to fill any background color, click on this background color icon and we can add a background color like this. In the same way, if we wanted to change the border color, click here and select the border color. In this way, we can insert and format a table in Dreamweaver.